sure your mom will be
Okay,
proud.
Steve.
Where's the steepest part? Over there or over here?
Oh,
Straight down. Show us how it's done.
and he falls.
Steve gonna ski down the hill on snowshoes.
Hopefully.
This is about a, let's say a 50, 60 degree slope.
Not bad.
There he goes.
The dogs are gonna have to help him back up.
Okay.
Yeah, if you could just
Now this is the part we want to film.
He made it down, but can he come back up? Look at the dogs are doing
Oh,
it.
it's slow going.
Come on.
And Steve climbs to the summit.
The dogs are beating him.
Good dogs. Harness you guys, we'll be all set. Never have to hike again.
You gotta try this.
I was thinking that actually. I was thinking, man, he got the good video. I don't know how I'm going to send this to you. To YouTube.
Could you have a fake face plant, please?
There you go. No. Back on the summit.